A Chapter 7 bankruptcy is a legal process where we petition the federal bankruptcy court in Denver to issue a discharge. That is a court order that says you are no longer legally responsible to pay your debts. Bankruptcy is not always the answer. There are many options you can look at if you're dealing with debt. And if bankruptcy is a good solution, I will show you exactly what to do step by step moving forward so that we can eliminate your debts. A Chapter 7 bankruptcy is where you discharge your debts in approximately 90 days without making any payments to your creditors. A Chapter 13 bankruptcy is normally for high income earners, and it creates an affordable payment plan where you make payments on your debts for 3 to 5 years and discharge the unpaid balance at the end of that time. Your plan payments are based on what you can afford, not based on what you owe. When people contact us for bankruptcy, lots of times they are very stressed. And what we do to help relieve that stress is we give them a step-by-step plan moving forward. So our clients always know exactly what they should be doing, what they shouldn't be doing, and what the next steps will be. Mistakes in Chapter 7 can be very costly. Once you file your case, you are locked in. So you have to make sure that your situation is set up perfectly at the time you file your case. If it's not, and you make mistakes with the filing, it could cost you your home, it could cost you money in bank accounts. It's really important that when you file the case that you've had it reviewed thoroughly and make sure that at the time of filing everything is ready to go. In my opinion, it's worth getting a lawyer for a Chapter 7 bankruptcy case. Mistakes in Chapter 7 can be very costly, and your case has to be set up perfectly when you file the case. If it's not, you can't dismiss your case and get a redo. Everything has to be right the first time. I filed my first Chapter 7 bankruptcy case for a client in 1995, so we're working on almost 30 years now. And I opened my law office in Colorado in 2011, and we've been working on Chapter 7s and Chapter 13 bankruptcies almost full-time since then. Our law firm is different from other firms because we take a holistic approach to handling your entire case. When you hire us, we'll give you a flat fee that includes everything you're going to need for your case. This includes the credit reports, the required credit counseling classes, and it also includes the filing fee to the bankruptcy court. When you hire our firm, we have a credit counseling class that we offer to all our clients. It's called 7 Steps to a 720 Credit Score. This class teaches you step by step what to do after you file bankruptcy to improve your credit score. Most of our clients are able to get their credit score raised to a 720 or higher within a year after filing bankruptcy. A 720 credit score is normally considered about average credit, and with a 720 credit score you can qualify for things like the lowest interest rate on a car loan. So if you're thinking about getting a car, you can get financing with a good low interest rate in about a year after you file bankruptcy. When you come in for a Chapter 7 consultation, you'll sit down and meet with me. I'm going to go through your entire financial picture to make sure that I understand what your problems are that you're dealing with, and specifically what assets you have that we need to work on protecting. I always want to protect your assets first. Then I'll give you some options as to what you could do, and if bankruptcy is an option that you choose, I will show you the specific steps moving forward that you'll need to take so that you can get the relief that you need.